Welcome guys. So in this video guys, we are going to be talking about arbitrage. And guys, if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to turn on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this, you'll be notified. So let's dive in. What is arbitrage? So arbitrage is finding a money-making opportunity by taking advantage of price difference in the same asset in different places or different exchange, right? For example, in this picture, let's assume that two people in your area, Mr. A and Mr. B, they both buy and sells iPhone, right? While Mr. A buying price is $100 and Mr. B selling price is $120. As someone who wants to make profit, you notice you can go to Mr. A shop and buy this same iPhone at $100 and take it to Mr. B and sell it at $120, which you make 20% as gain. So what you just do over right here is called arbitrage. All right, let's navigate into the crypto market. There are two centralized exchange over right here, which you can see, Binance and Bybit. All right, so let's assume you buy 100 watt coin of BTC from Bybit and take it to Binance and sell it at 120 watt of BTC. What you just made over right here, 20% as gain, which you have made, which is the same arbitrage. So while doing your arbitrage, you need to be very fast. The reason why you need to be very fast because sending your assets to another exchange, or let's say Binance to Bybit, let's say that the time you are waiting for your exchange to confirm or your token to reflect in another exchange, you might lose or miss the opportunity because arbitrage opportunity does not last long. So guys, in my next video, I am going to talk about how to perform this transaction very fast and to also minimize time. And I will also show you guys other type of arbitrage that you can use to make profit or money. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video.